Hi, today I'm going to tell you how to make some biscuit sandwiches. Biscuit sandwiches, as the name suggests, you need biscuit and some filling. It's a very easy recipe, anyone can make it. You can make it like a starter or you can also have it for snacks. So let's start. So these are the ingredients we need. These are Monaco biscuits or any salt biscuits. This is the filling. For the filling, I have taken boiled potato, some boiled peas, and also a boiled carrot. If you want, you can also grate the carrot and add it later on. And along with it, I'll be adding some finely chopped onion and finely chopped coriander. So first of all, I'll mash the potatoes and the peas together along with the carrots. I have mashed it. Along with this, I'll add some finely chopped onions and finely chopped coriander. Mix it. Now I'm not going to add any salt in this because the biscuits are already salty. The save that we are going to have it after making the sandwiches and to coat the sandwiches with the save. The save also has salt in it, and I'm going to add some chaat masala in the filling. So there's no need to add extra salt in the filling. Mix it well. Now let's start making the sandwiches. There are some biscuits. Take a biscuit and add some filling on it. Keep some filling on it and keep a generous amount of the filling. Not very less, but I've put a generous amount of filling on it. Take another biscuit and press it gently. Now it will be coming out from the sides, so just try to flatten it. So this height is around 2 centimeters. So we have quite a lot of filling. After this, just roll it over the fine save. It will coat on it. So this is our beautiful sandwich ready. I'll make some few more. So put a generous amount of the filling. Keep another biscuit on it. Gently press it. Press the sides. And roll it over the save. Here's your biscuit sandwich. While serving, you can serve it along with a drop of tomato sauce if you like it, but I don't think that's necessary because this has enough moisture in itself. It's a very easy recipe, enjoyed by children. All you need is some boiled potatoes, Now, if you have the dry curry, the dry potato curry, you can mash that and use that also as the filling. So it's not necessary that you have to boil fresh potatoes. You can take the dry curry which is already made at home and make your very own snack all by yourself. A generous amount. Now there's no oil, there's no frying in it, so it's quite healthy. We have boiled vegetables in this. You can add more vegetables also, like finely chopped capsicum, a little bit of grated beetroots, some mint, so here we have our Monaco biscuit sandwiches.